Today we discuss how to convert a finite automata to regular expression. In previous video I already discussed some steps, I think some 3 steps for converting a finite automata to regular expression. Now apply those 3 steps in example. The first example is let's assume this is state A and this is state B, and this is a finite automata but not a DFA. I already told that finite automata means by default NFA. So it is not DFA, it is NFA, and we want a regular expression for this finite automata by using those steps, right? So what is the first step? This is a finite automata and the first step is check our initial state. Is there any incoming edge to initial state? Is there any incoming edge coming from any other state to initial state? No, there is only outgoing edges from initial state. So the first step is safe. I mean, there is no need to expand it. Now the second step is see the final state. Is there any outgoing edge from B? B is a final state. Is there any outgoing edge from B? See, there is no outgoing edge from B. There is incoming edge from A to B, but there is no outgoing edge from B. So the second step is also safe. And the third step, is there more than one final state in this automata? No, there is only one final state B. So there is no need to apply these 3 steps because it is already well defined. So actually now there is 2 states, one is initial and second is final. What does it mean? From A, this A transition from A to B, and B transition from A to B. So what does it mean? In normal language, what does it mean? It means either A or B. It means is either A accepted or B accepted, not both, right? So we generally applied union for this. As you well know, for this we generally applied union. How can we make an easy automata for this, more easy automata for this? See, there is A and B in this transaction. We have A and B, and so we can write it as A B. This is same. Both these finite automatas are same, right? Either A or B. So we can easily write a regular expression for this, A plus B. So this is the regular expression for this, A plus B. This is a very easy example. This is an easy example for this. Now see some bit complex. Another example for this. In this, check those 3 steps which are already discussed in state elimination method in previous video. The first step is see, is there any incoming edge? Is there any incoming edge from any state to initial state? This is my initial state. Let's write some arbitrary state name. A is my initial state, and is there any incoming edge from any 2 states, from any those 2 states B and C to A? Yes, from B to A there is an incoming edge. For A this edge is incoming. For A this edge is outgoing edge and this edge is incoming edge. So write transaction of B from B to A is incoming edge for A, right? So this is basically, in simple words, this is incoming edge for B. This is incoming edge for A and this is outgoing edge for B. So yes, there is an incoming edge to A, this edge. So the first step, how we can deal with this, we can make another initial state, and with the help of null transaction we can make this state, and simply we can make remaining. So this what we already told in previous video, right? Now second step, check your and just make Q0, check your final state. Is there any outgoing edge from C? There is no outgoing edge from C, so second step is safe. What about third step? Is there more than one state? Means is there any more than one final state? No, there is only one final state, which is C. And you know that this is initial and this is final. In this example, this is initial and this is final, so we don't need to eliminate states. I already told that only in last finite automata, after simplifying this, in last finite automata only two states are remaining, initial and final. But in this there are three states, in which one state there are four states in this, in which two states are not initial and not final. So we should remove these two states. So how we remove these two states? First let's check. If I remove A, then it is null dot A to B, and there is a loop in this which says that B A B A. So how can I remove A in this? Let's see. So how can I remove this A? First I write this initial state. This is null transaction and I want to remove A. So null dot A, which is nothing but A. So to B, there is null dot A from Q0, which is A. And there is another transaction which is a loop from B to A, which is B A, B A. So there is loop on B, that is B A, right? Now there is simply B transaction to final state. Okay, now we want to remove B from this, because in last simplified finite automata we need only two states, one is initial and the last one is final. So we remove this. How we remove this? There is A and any number, there is A and any number of BA and then B. So how we can simplify it? Q0 is a state and there is a transaction A BA whole star. Why whole star? As you well know, star means starting from 0, that is like whole number. So any number of BA, even 0 time also, simply AB is also accepted. So A B A whole star B, and this is my final state C. So the remaining regular expression now we get without finding regular expression directly. We have a regular expression A B A whole star B. So this is the regular expression for this, and you can check this is right. See, the smallest string which is accepted is AB. So the smallest string which is accepted is AB, and there is any number of BA. You can see A and then B A B A B, any number of BAs, and then in end there is B. So starting from A and ending with B, and in between there is any number of BAs. So this is the proper method to apply state elimination method. In next video we can see more examples to use these steps, so that we are habitual for using these steps and we remembered all those steps. Enough for today. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you.